Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply for HDFC credit card. HDFC is India's leading private sector bank. To apply for HDFC credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.hdfcbank.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to HDFC Bank's official website. Now, scroll to down. Then, on the blue section here, you can see the option of credit card. Click on the option of credit card. Now, here you'll be taken to credit card section of the website. Scroll down. Then, here you can see various of credit card that you can apply for. You can see the details and apply for the credit card that you want by clicking on apply online. Then here you'll be guided to another page. Now to apply for the credit card, here you need to enter all the information. First, you need to enter the information regarding your identity. So enter your mobile phone number on the given box. After entering the mobile phone number, enter your date of birth on the given box. Or you can also use your PAN number. After entering all the information, click on Get OTP. With that, you'll get OTP on your mobile phone. Check on your mobile phone and enter the OTP that you have received on the given box. After doing so, click on the option of View the best card. Now here you can select the card that is best for you. Then you need to confirm your details. You need to enter your address, all the information. Then with that, you need to submit the application. After you submit your application, it will take some time to revise through your application. You'll get notified after your submission has been completed. This is how we can apply for HDFC credit card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.